Hi all. Today we are going to discuss applications of stack and I am Dr. D. Madhavi. So applications of stack, you have the postfix evaluation and you also have conversions from infix to postfix, infix to prefix, postfix to infix, prefix to infix and so on. So the main objective of this class is to make you understand how to convert from one expression form to another expression. So an infix expression is an expression in which you have an operand, an operator, and again another operand. So the operator is placed in between these two operands A and B. Okay, whereas a postfix expression, you have first the two operands are placed and after the operands you place the operator. So first step is you have to scan the infix expression from left to right. Scan the infix expression from left to right. If the scanned symbol is a left parenthesis, that is opening brackets, push it onto the stack. If the scanned symbol is an operand, data item, or a variable name, then place directly in the postfix expression, which is nothing but your output, required output. If the symbol is scanned is a right parenthesis, that is closing brackets, then go on popping all the items from the stack and place them in the postfix expression till we get the matching left parenthesis. So if it is a closing brackets, you have to go on popping all the elements on the stack until we encounter a matching opening brackets. So if the scanned symbol is an operator, then go on removing all the operators from the stack and place them in the postfix expression if and only if, what is the condition here? The precedence of the operator which is on the top of the stack is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scanned operator. So if the precedence of the existing operator on the stack is greater than or equal to the precedence of the latest scanned operator, then you have to continuously pop the operators and push the scanned operator onto the stack. Okay, otherwise that means if the precedence of the operator on the top of the stack is less than the precedence of the scanned operator, then push the scanned operator onto the stack. So according to method, we'll scan the first symbol. So this is the left parenthesis first symbol, and because it is a symbol, you are just pushing it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is also a left parenthesis, so just push it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is an operand. So it is an operand, a variable name. So you add this to the postfix string, which is nothing but your output. So this is your final output. And the next one is again an operator. So because it is an operator, you have to push it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is an opening parenthesis. So it is a symbol. So again push it onto the stack. And the next one is an operand B. So because it is an operand, so just write the operand on the output buffer, that is the postfix string. And the next one is an operator plus. Because it is an operator, you have to push it onto the top of the stack. And then the next one is an operand. So because it is an operand, you just write down the operand in the output buffer, that is in the postfix string. And next one is a closing parenthesis. Whenever a closing parenthesis or right parenthesis occur, what you have to do, you have to continuously pop the operators present on the stack until you find a matching opening parenthesis. So first pop plus and write the popped operator in the postfix string, that is our output, and then once again pop the next symbol. So the next symbol is a opening parenthesis. So we find a matching parenthesis for this right parenthesis. So hence you stop popping. And then this parenthesis will be discarded. You need not copy down the parenthesis in the postfix string. Okay. So the next one is also a right parenthesis, a closing bracket. So once again you have to, the next symbol is also a right parenthesis. So once again pop the operators on the top of the stack and continue popping until you find out a matching opening brackets. So matching opening brackets is popped out. So stop popping and then discard the opening brackets. Now we'll see the next symbol. The next symbol is an operator asterisk. So asterisk is an operator. So simply push it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is an operand, that is D. Because it is an operand, simply write down it in the postfix string D here. And then the next one is a closing brackets. So because it is a right parenthesis, you start popping the operators on the top of the stack and write down in the postfix string, that is the output. So this is the left parenthesis. Again pop this and delete this left parenthesis. As we encountered the matching parenthesis for this right parenthesis, simply stop popping. And then check for the next symbol. So the next symbol is a power symbol. Okay, so because it is an operator, so the stand symbol is power, it is an operator. So push it onto the top of the stack. And then the next symbol is an opening brackets. Because it is a symbol, just push it onto the top of the stack like this. The scan symbol left parenthesis is popped onto the is pushed onto the stack. And then the next one is an operand E. Because it is an operand, simply write down, because the scan symbol is an operand, simply write down in the postfix expression. And then the next one is an operator plus. So because it is an operator, you push it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is an operand again, F. Because it is an operand, you simply write down in the postfix string, that is output. So the next one is the right parenthesis, that is the closing parenthesis. So whenever this closing parenthesis is encountered, you have to continuously pop the symbols until you encounter an opening parenthesis. So pop this plus and place in the postfix string, and pop this left parenthesis also. Because there is a matching brackets encountered, stop popping. So now you found the input string is empty because this is the only last one that is present in the expression and the string is empty. So you can simply pop all the operators on the stack and write it in the postfix string. So now this is your required postfix expression for the given infix expression. Okay. So now we move on to the next conversion, that is conversion from infix to prefix. So the precedence rules for converting an expression from infix to prefix are identical to the infix to postfix conversion. The only change from postfix conversion is that traverse the expression from right to left. Instead of left to right, you have to traverse the expression, scan the symbols from right to left. And the operator is placed before the operands rather than after them. So these are the two differences. You have to scan the symbols from right to left, and the second one is when the operator should be placed before the operands. Okay, and the prefix form of the complex expression will not be the mirror image of the postfix form. It will be a different thing. So now we'll see an example. So you convert the infix expression a plus b minus c into prefix expression. So you have to scan the symbols. You have to scan the symbols from right to left. So first you scan, the first symbol is C. So C is an operand. So simply write it in the prefix string, that is the output, starting from right. And then you scan the next symbol, that is minus, that is an operator. So push it onto the stack. And then you scan the next symbol, that is an operand. So again write it directly in the prefix string starting from right to left after C. Okay. And then the next one is an operator plus. Because it is a plus, you should push it onto the top of the stack. And the next one is a operand. So because it is an operand, you simply write down in the prefix string. And the elements, the symbols in the prefix expression are completed. So pop all the operators one by one and copy down in the prefix string before the operands. You place the operators before the operands. So plus is placed and then minus is popped and then placed here. So this is the output, that is the prefix form for the given infix expression a plus b minus c. Okay. So next we'll see the next conversion, that is conversion from postfix to infix.